violent video games, and they were often bullied. You see the pattern. Sandy Hook, a 20-year-old, killed 20 children and 6 adults. Spent time in his basement all alone playing a wide variety of video games, was a loner, and developed mental health problems. Right, fascinating with shootings. Then we saw in Parkland, right, 2018, here in Florida, 14 students, 3 staff killed. A shooter spent long hours playing violent video games and was unpopular kid, right, suffered from depression. Do you see the pattern, right? Mm-hmm. So why are we having this problem versus other countries? Well, they did some research, guys. Look up here real quick. Over the last 10 years, there's only 2 school shootings in all of Canada. 2 in France, 1 in Germany, 0 in Japan, 0 in Italy, 0 in the UK. How many in the United States over the last 10 years? What would you guess? More than 10.
15.
More than 15.
50.
More than 50. 288. Okay, now you say like, well, maybe did the U.S. just have like a bad 10 years? Well, here's the trend analysis. Where's it going? Through the roof, right? It's not going away, guys. It's a real problem.
It's a real problem.
So what can we do about this? Well, part of it is gangs, right? Write this down. There's 2 kinds of gangs. Criminal gangs, people that have been in jail, they get out, they don't want to go to jail again, so they recruit minors your age to commit their crimes because you'll only go to juvenile, right? The other kind of gang are cool gangs. That's when people get together and do something bad they wouldn't do on their own.
Like skip class,
right? So if you're influenced negatively, then you have already formed a gang, right? So instead, Mario, we form teams, right? What does your sports team do? You practice and you win games, right? See the difference between a team and a gang? So here's the summary. What's the pattern? Kids that are heavily bullied are at risk of building deep-seated anger. When they have anger, they want to escape into violent fantasy games. They become desensitized. They're practicing shooting, right? It spirals down to depression, and anger and isolation leads them to what? Finding guns, because guns are power, right? So then they attach to these fantasies. Do you see where it comes from? Mm-hmm. So what can we do, Derek? Well, number 1, we say stop bullying, right? So people don't get damaged like this. If someone is by themselves, be a friend to them, right? That's what leaders do. Report, though, if you see someone fascinated with assault rifles, right? Some kind of addiction. Report any kind, a person who's bragging about having
We see a threat. Somebody writes a threat.
It's no joke, right? So you guys, you're leaders. You report to keep everyone safe. Enjoy and encourage your friends to be what? Teams, not gangs. Then you're a hero. Right? You're a hero in your family. You're a hero in your neighborhood. You're a hero at school, right? See what we're talking about?
Awesome.
You guys can make a difference. So last thing to write in your books here, right? Good luck.